Greetings, friends. In this video today we're going to see the how to make clear the X letter from the equation of the straight line, right? All right. The equation of the straight line is in this way. J is going to be equal to b as mx. All right. Now we have the equation of the straight line, and our work is to clear the X letter from this equation, right? We're going to start. How we start? Well, the first thing that we have to remember is that the equation is like a balance, in this way that help us to find equal heavies or equal mass between both sides of the balance. So we have right here the equal sign right here. So the left side is equal to the right side. When we add mass in the left side, we have to do it exactly. We have to add the same mass. See, the same quantity of mass in this right side. Other way, the balance will be not be equilibrated, right? So this is an equation we have right here. J equal to B as mx. Okay. So, all right. Now let's continue. We have to see what are the rules to say to accomplish with the conditions to say that we clear the X letter. And we will see that the conditions of the to accomplish with the work to clear the X letter from the equation is to have the X letter in the left side of the equation, and we have the X letter on the left side of the equation. We haven't signs. There is not signs. Or the only sign that can to be right here is the positive, but like it's positive, we do not write because we know that the sign is right here. Yes, we understand that it's positive. We haven't exponents either, so these are the rules to satisfy the conditions to say that the X letter is clear from the equation, right? Well, now how is the process to come up right here? Okay, that's what we're going to see right now. We have to change these equations in one equation where the x letter can to be in the left side. So first, I am going to do the first step is to change all these letters that are in the right side. We're going to change to the left side, and the letter that is in the left side, converse, we're going to write on the right side. Okay. So b as mx will be equal to j. Okay, we have changed both terms, right? And now this is equal to this. Not yet, because of we have this letter and the M letter and the B letter. All of these are don't allow that we can arrive to the X letter. So the first letter we have to eliminate from the left side is the B. And how we're gonna to do it? Well, we have to remember that in the equation we take away some part of the mass from this plate. We have to do it from the other side. Is this the exact quantity that we take away from this plate of the mass? We have to take away from this plate. Okay, so I'm going to rest B from this left side, and we're going to do it from the right side. Now negative B and positive B gives like a result 0. Okay, so we have 0 and mx equal a j negative b. This is the quantity that we have take away from both sides of the question, right? Okay. Negative b and positive b give us 0 and mx equal j negative b. Okay, now we have mx. This is x like this. No, are the same? No, because here the x is accompanied by m, and here we saw that the condition were that the letter x could be alone, and here it isn't alone, so we have to let it alone, and this is the second step that we're going to do to clear the x letter from the equation of the straight line. This is the equation of the straight line, right? Now this is multiplying, making a product, making a dot m between m and x. So we have to divide by m, and like I am making a quotient by m. Now we have to do it from the other side, and remember m over m. What is the result that give us? Do you remember? M over m. Well, we have to remember that any quantity divided by itself give us always the number 1. Yes, where let's check it. One over 1 give us 1. 5 over 5 give us 1. 1 million over 1 million give us 1. So we have found the rule of the 1, that any quantity divided by itself, and no matter what is the value of the number, always will give 1. This is the rule of the 1. All right. So m over m will give us 1. This is 0. We're not going to write anymore because of it's 0. So we start with this part of the left side of the question, and m over m will give us 1. 1 that is multiplied by x is equal to negative b over m. So 1 by x and give us x, because any quantity multiplied by 1 always will give the quantity, no matter the value of the quantity, always will be the same quantity. So we have found the result. We clear the equation, and the result is x is alone from the left side, haven't a negative sign, haven't exponents different of 1. It is not elevated to the square exponent, 3 exponent, or any number that is bigger than 1. So it isn't divided by any number, any quantity different of 1. So we can to say that x is clear from the question, and the x is equal to j negative b over m. So we have this is we have to the end of the work. We get the goal. So this is everything. We'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.